everyone, and welcome to Calm Creations Crafty Flosstube. My name is Tia. Today I am going to have a go at something new. Now I was digging through my lace box and I found something quite interesting. A lot of this was given to me by my husband's friend's mum, who was cleaning out her craft room. And I've never seen this before, so I thought I would open it with you and have a go. What it is, it's a lace top. And it's a complete kit by the looks of it. It's never been opened, and it's got the instructions and all the bits in there that you need to make this top. So let's open it and have a look. If it fails, then I have got a whole bunch of lace that I can use in my projects. So let's get rid of that and have a look. So Pearls & Co. I'm making it. Lace Fashion Sewing Kits. This one's called Barbara. All the instructions, so you can do two sizes. You can do petite or small, or the large. So now my waist certainly isn't that little, so we're gonna do the large one. Right side of lace strips have a slightly raised texture. Cut straight across the design of the lace strip. Strips are sewn together, right sides up. Okay. Right. So let's have a look. I've got, and then it's got the elastic. Where did that little piece come from? It's come from around. There's a lot of lace here. Now when's this from? I'm guessing this is probably vintage because 1981. Okay. And then that's all it tells me. So, what are we doing first? So this will be done on the sewing machine. General instructions. Okay. Codes for laces. So that's lace A. So that's 2.5, that's 1 3/4 maybe, and that's 2. Okay. Lace C. Oh, I haven't got a lace C. There's something missing. Oh no, lace C. Lace C has 3/8 of an inch straight edge borders. So that's that one. Yeah. Okay. Step 1. Cutting laces for body and sleeve panels. This blouse has 4 main panels. Two body panels. Front and back are identical to each other, and 2 sleeves are identical. Okay. I don't know how tall I am. Okay, that's alright. Cut lace strips, 2 body and 2 sleeves. So, for lace A, I need 6 pieces. For lace B, I need 8 pieces. For lace C, I need 12 pieces. Okay, so how long do I cut them? Oh, here we go. For the body panels, cut all laces A, B and C 17 inches. Okay, put those out of the way. And I probably don't need that for now, or that. So start with A. Lace A for the large size is 6 pieces. Okay, for 2 seams. Okay. What did I say? 17. Right, so it's cut straight across the design of the lace strip. Okay, so don't worry about cutting in between. So we'll go to one. Two. 3. Can you see? Yep, 3. 4. Not very straight. 5. How many? 6. 6. Yeah. Right. Okay. Those. And then I'll put that aside for the sleeves. Now this one. Okay, hang on. So that's the one with the border. So that's lace C. Now this is lace B. So this is 8 pieces. Eight pieces at 17. Do it this way, be a bit easier. Okay, I might pause the video here, cut all these pieces out, and I will be back. Okay, I've got all my bits cut out. So I've got, this is for the body, and these are the 17-inch strips, and then I've cut out the sleeve pieces, which are these ones, and these are 13 inches. But what concerns me is I've got a huge amount of this one left. Maybe it's for something else. But then these are the little bits left over from the others. So the next step is 2, making body and sleeve panels. Sequence for placement of lace strips are the same for body and sleeve panels for each. Follow the sequence. Okay, sew in sequence as per diagram to make panel. Dotted lines indicates top stitching. Reinforce seam ends. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to head away. I'm going to make a panel and I will be back. Back again. Now I've sewn together 8 of the panels and I've got another 5 to sew onto this edge, and then this panel will be done, and then I have to make another identical one for the front or the back, and then do the same with the sleeves. So I just wanted to show you what it's looking like. So far so good. I've learned a few things about right sides and wrong sides of laces. So the right side of a lace always has a bumpier texture. So one piece I had to unpick and turn it over. But so far so good. So I will leave it at that for today. When we come back to this again, we should have all the panels sewn together and ready for the next step. So I hope you enjoyed that little video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all again soon. Thanks, bye.